Hey guys, welcome back to SkillTube. I'm Sachin Chaturvedi. In this video, I'm gonna do a photo manipulation of your favorite Avatar movie's character. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Make the selection of the background. Now go to select menu, invert the selection and press Ctrl J to create a new layer without the background. Now we'll use the lasso tool to remove both the eyebrows as you must have seen in the Avatar movie's characters. Make the selection of both the eyebrows, and now we will go to edit and select content aware fill. This green part is the selected area and exclude rest of the part. Press enter after making the selection. Press Ctrl D. Perfect. Now again use the lasso tool in the face layer. Make the selection and press Ctrl T to resize. Enlarge the eye and move the layer to the top. Now again do the same. Make the selection by using lasso tool and press Ctrl J to create a new layer. Press Ctrl T to enlarge the another eye and move the layer to the top. Adjust the size. Now we are going to use the brush tool. Select the soft rounded brush, increase the size and use the brush to this layer to blend it perfectly with the previous layer. Do the same with another eye. Blend it with the previous layer. Perfect. Now use the smudge tool to make the nose sharp and flat as you must have seen in the Avatar movie's characters. Drag it. Okay. Drag it down and shape the nose like this. Okay. Now select both the eyes layer and right click merge layers. Name this layer eye. Now import PNG image of an eyeless. I'll drag and drop to the original file we are working on. Adjust the size and place it at the right place. Duplicate layer. Now decrease the opacity by 50%. Use the eraser tool to erase the unwanted parts. Use the soft corner eraser. Decrease the size, increase hardness. You can do it according to your need. Do it very precisely without leaving any edges. Like this. Now do the same with another eye. You can change the size and hardness according to your need. Now we will increase the opacity to 100%, and there you go. Name this layer as islands, merge both the layers. Now click on the face layer by pressing Ctrl key, and there you will get the selection done. Now we'll use the brush tool, change the foreground color to blue. Use the brush tool, select the soft rounded brush. Move this layer to the top. Paint with the brush to the selected layer. Okay, now change the blending mode to color. Now make a mask to the selected layer and make sure that the foreground color is black. Now we'll use the brush tool to erase the unwanted parts of the eye and lips. Change the size and hardness of the brush according to the need. Remove all the blue color from this part. Do it very carefully like this. And if you are making any mistake, you can also press Ctrl Z. Erase the middle part of the lips. Now decrease the brush hardness to 0 to do it very precisely. Also decrease the opacity of the brush to the outer part of the lips. Now go to adjustment, select curves and lower the curves to darken the blue area. Adjust the color balance. Make the clipping mask to the blue layer. Now I'll import Avatar's mask image. Use the magic wand tool to make the selection. Select all the black part of this image and then press Ctrl X to cut the selected part. Now I'll paste it to the original file. Press Ctrl V to paste. Increase the size by pressing Ctrl P. Change the blending mode to overlay and now remove the unwanted part by using eraser tool. Decrease the hardness of the eraser to make it soft and erase the unwanted parts. Do it very carefully. Perfect. Select any one of them. Press Ctrl X to cut and paste it to the original file. Press Ctrl T to resize. Adjust the size. Now make the selection using magic wand tool. Increase the feather by pressing Ctrl F6. Press Ctrl T, right click and flip horizontal. Both the layers, adjust color balance from adjustments, increase blues. Okay, now make clipping mask and there you can see the difference. Decrease opacity of both the ears. Now we'll use the eraser tool to erase all the unwanted parts. Use soft corner eraser. Increase hardness. Do it like this. Change hardness and size of brush accordingly. Remove the ears from fingers. Fine. Do it with another one. Opacity back to 100%. Now we use the splatter brush from the brush tool to give it a glittery effect. Apply it on the forehead and cheekbones, nose. Now import a dynamic background layer at the background, at the bottom layer. Import it from here. Press Ctrl T to resize. Adjust the size according to the need. Move it to the bottom layer. Now you can see the white edges at his hairline. We need to remove that. For that, select an inverse. Select subject and refine hair and click OK. Now you can see the difference. Unhide the background layer and we are done. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you next time.